thank you guys for joining the call. And this is the first meeting. And so the agenda is very clear: to learn and help each other, and to grow as a technical team, and to grow the network. And we can see how better we can help each other. So this will be, we are trying to conduct a regular meeting, and in that we'll call people from diverse background. We have not called everyone today, like many of the networks that we have not called, just to make sure that people joining today will get some time to participate as well, instead of just only being a listener. So, having said that, let me start with the agenda of today, and I'll share the screen. I hope you guys can see the screen.
Yep.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So Software Circle, why we named it? Because we have a YouTube channel with the same name. That's why we named it Software Circle. Otherwise, there's no other intention of this. So in today's agenda, we have set up a call, like this will be just limited call, because we are doing it in conducting this in weekends, and considering that everyone has valuable time for family and other stuff. So we'll keep it short. So today we'll talk 10 minutes on DevOps, 5 minutes on latest tools and technology on mobile development, and then again 5 minutes on data analytics. We will be having detailed session on each of these things in future sessions. Today we'll not be touching everything in detail, just because like many people may not be interested in data science, or other in mobile development, or other in DevOps, or other in Java or .NET or any other technology. So today's session is very generic, and in future sessions we'll be conducting detailed training kind of, or detailed learning kind of sessions on a particular topic. So today will be more abstract in nature, not in detail. Just to give you a brief on that. Now I'll move to Sankar. Sankar, can you hear me?
Yes, Jitu.
Okay, so we have invited Sankar. He got more than 10 years of experience in mobile development on Android and iOS, and I would say an expert in Android side. So this is the LinkedIn profile of Sankar. People can connect. You can see he has worked in lots of MNCs. So over to you, Sankar. If you can help us with your experience, and if you can help the audience to learn about latest tools, technologies, and trends in mobile development, and how, if someone wants to start his career in mobile development, how he can do that. Over to you, Sankar. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah, sure. Thanks. Hey, Jitu, could you please make me host so I can share my screen?
Yes. Give me a second. Next. Done.
Yeah, thanks. Hi guys, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, we can see the screen. Thank you.
Yeah. Hi, this is Shankar. Actually, I have 10 plus year of experience in mobile development. So initially, I was working in J2ME, that is also mobile domain, and then later, as you know, that we are shifting Android towards, because it has become more popular and it gives you more feature to J2ME feature that those were providing. So why we should learn Android first of all? Because Android gives you more flexibility, like different frameworks they are giving, like video you can play, then audio, a lot of feature like networking you can surf, you can view, you can means you use multiple application. So it's give you more feature in short. Okay. So in Android, okay, so how many ways you can develop Android? So there are two ways. One is using native development, and second one is cross-platform. So what do you mean by native development and cross-platform? So native development means Android, that Google gives you flexibility to develop application with using Android Studio. And what do you mean by cross-platform? Cross platform, there are different tools comes in picture, or framework comes into picture, like Flutter, Xamarin, and AngularJS. A lot of stuff they are giving. Okay. So what is difference between these two? So in native development, if you are using a lot of mobile application, you can easily find out the application behavior or performance wise everything. So you can easily find out the application, and you can read it through different blogs where application generally develop in native development or Flutter development. So advantage to use the cross-platform development is like uh, company general thinks about save their time in development device, because if you are doing cross-platform development, you can build application in iOS as well as Android and Windows. But definitely there are a few drawbacks over here in terms of performance. Different things are there. Okay. Going to the next slide. Okay. In native development, we can use the Java. Just if you know that in 2 years back, only we were using to Java, and they introduced Kotlin. Google introduced a Kotlin, and Kotlin gives you a better feature in terms of null safety, interoperability, coroutine. There are different things. And third one is the JNI. So sometimes you have to use the graphics, and you have to if you know that OpenGL is there, so different graphics come into picture, and you want to use in your mobile application in native. So at that time you can go with the JNI. Okay. In cross-platform, as I said, we can use the Flutter, where we are using the Scala language, and then Xamarin, which using C#, and there are AngularJS, as I said. So these are the things. Just I want to give you just overview about. This is not in detail, as Jitu said. In upcoming technical session, in detail in iOS or Windows development.
Yes, thank you, Sankar, for briefing and for this crispy PPT. We'll be doing the detailed session with the audience, who will be interested more in mobile development in future sessions. So thanks, Sankar, for
Sure.
sharing.
Yeah.
And if
Yeah.
you
If anyone having question, or if you want to understand more in details, you can Slack me, or you can send me any question over email. I will happy to answer you.
thank you, Sankar. Thanks a lot.